Welcome. If you're a Pinterest fan who loves discovering new creators and their inspiring pins, this video is just for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow push notifications for suggested creators' pins on Pinterest, right from your PC. With Pinterest's latest update, it's easier than ever to stay updated with fresh content that matches your interests. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to open your Pinterest settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. This is where you can control what kind of updates Pinterest sends you. Click on Notifications to expand your notification preferences. Scroll down until you find the section called Activity from Creators. Under this section, you'll see an option titled New Pins from creators you might like. This is the setting that lets Pinterest notify you about pins from creators it thinks you'll enjoy. To enable push notifications for this, simply toggle the switch next to Push so it turns on. Once you've enabled push notifications, don't forget the most important step. Click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures all your new settings are applied and you won't miss out on any updates. And that's it. You've now set up Pinterest to send you push notifications whenever there are new pins from suggested creators. This way, you'll always be in the loop and ready to discover new ideas, trends, and inspiration tailored just for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.